What can be the innovative way to reach out to maximum number of people with an environment awareness message? Something that can be effective, something that can be done even during pandemic, and something that can be done at almost zero cost. These are the questions that we try to find solution through our innovative project named Project Greenbox. Dear sirs and ma'am, under this project, we have created green lending libraries, an innovative video through a game called Jenga, and other minor interventions. Nagaland as a state has more than 70% of its land under forest, but more than 88% of the forests are under either privately owned or community owned. So hence, this makes the basic foundation for conserving the biodiversity as environment awareness creation. Under Project Greenbox, we have created green lending libraries with books on environment awareness in the villages of Kohima district. In some villages, we have created the libraries completely new. In some, we have donated a box full of books to the existing community libraries. The best thing about this is these are managed by the village student or youth bodies, which have a strong administrative structure in Nagaland. That makes it very sustainable in terms of management. While we have got new or used books on environment from colleagues as well as from public, the response was so good that we even received books from far places like Bengaluru. But the good news is now we are trying to establish a green lending library in the heart of Kohima city as well as part of our Nagarvan project. So the success of the project is shown here that the project which started as an out-of-box project by our division now has got a small funding also through which we are not just doing it in the villages, but we have reached to the urban center as well. Another exciting initiative that we have taken through this project is a demonstrative video that I made using a popular game called Jenga. Nagaland's school education department has started online classes during the pandemic. We used that as an opportunity to reach out with the environment message to each and every household, which would have costed otherwise crores for us, but we got it done in almost zero cost. Let me try to remove some civet cat. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the entire system collapses when the more and more species gets extinct from our biodiversity. So I hope this is quite clear, and most of you would have learned our biodiversity is quite interlinked and our ecosystem and everything is like a web. So if anything goes extinct, so it impacts everything. This video was well received and went viral. It is seen by lakhs and lakhs of people across different social media platforms. Now, the demonstrative technique is used by other officers both inside the state as well as in other states as well. You can see an officer using the technique recently in Maharashtra. It was also shown during summer camps of National Museum for Natural History as well. Due to the encouragements that we received from public, we made more smaller interventions like innovative signages with memes and cartoons in traffic points with collaboration from police. And we organized online competitions for schools where thousands of students participated. Some participated even from schools in Indo-Myanmar border. A traditional awareness camp, we might be spending almost more than 1 lakh, but we will be able to reach maybe maximum of 100 people. But under this innovative initiative, we were able to reach more than 1 lakh of people with almost zero cost. Just imagine a book in a village keep on creating environment awareness among the people. A video which can be shared to hundreds of people within a fraction of a second. How cool is that? The project is unique, innovative, and sustainable. But the key thing is it is highly replicable. That makes our case to get included in the annual Health of Civil Services report a very stronger one. Thank you.